Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make deli macaroni salad updated. Start by boiling 8 oz macaroni until al dente, then cool under cold water. Mix mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Fold in diced celery, onion, and sweet pickle relish for crunch and tang. Season with salt and black pepper, then chill for at least 1 hour to let flavors meld before serving. Gently toss cooled pasta with the prepared dressing to evenly coat each piece, taking care not to mash the macaroni. If the salad looks dry after chilling, add reserved dressing 1 tablespoon at a time until desired creaminess. Chilling helps flavors marry, so plan ahead for at least 1 hour in the fridge. Finish with a final taste test and a tiny splash of vinegar if it needs brightness. To make this deli-style salad more substantial, fold in diced ham or shredded chicken, which pairs well with the tangy dressing. For extra richness, add chopped hard-boiled egg or sliced green olives for briny contrast. Serve chilled over a bed of crisp lettuce, or use it as a creamy sandwich filling on soft rolls. Garnish with paprika or chopped parsley for a classic deli presentation, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.